everybody, I'm your host Jolie. Today I am going to show you Taiwan's top 5 affordable and fun nightlife activities. Are you a night owl or a party animal? Then this episode is for you. Time to have some fun! Ta-da! Here's our KTV. Taiwanese people love to sing, especially when you get your own space. It's much more fun, chill, and comfortable. Number 1, KTV. Did you know? In the 1990s, Taiwan businessmen combined karaoke with MTV and turned them into a box-styled booth called KTV. It then became one of the most popular activities for family and friends gatherings. Let's go crash the party. I can hear the music going. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Charlie.
I'm Jolie, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
So what are you guys doing here today?
It's our after-work party, and these are all my colleagues.
So what is your favorite genre to sing?
My favorite genre is Chinese hip-hop.
So you're a good rapper, huh?
Not too sure.
You're too humble. So what's your favorite food to get?
Normally I get beef noodle and sometimes with dumplings. I like to mix them together.
Ooh, yum. Why do you like to come here?
I think KTV is part of the Taiwanese culture, and I think it's a really good way to release the stress from work, as well as it has a really chill vibe, and people can just enjoy the time after work.
And that's 5 of the most popular nightlife activities here in Taiwan. Come to Taiwan and experience them all. I can't wait to hear about your favorite way to spend the night here in Taiwan. I'm gonna go sing some